Hey, I don't know what time it is. It is 9:57 Wednesday night, on the 29th of December. Got a big spoon here. Got some Hershey's Cocoa. Jordy here is gonna take. Let's see. I don't want to be too mean. I want to be mean, but not too mean. That much?
Yeah.
Let's take that much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, 1 minute.
Hold on.
He has this full of water to drink. We got the sink right behind
there.
us. So, Jordy, I present this to you. Do it on camera. Don't cough on the camera.
Okay.
You're gonna cough, turn the other way. Don't do it to me. Do it. Go. Give it to me. Give it to me. Try to eat it. Come on. Hey, not on the camera, I told you. Cough. Here, drink. Drink. You don't have to swallow it, Jordy. Get it up. Come on. Get it out. Oh man, you got all over the freaking computer.